it's Carrie with Seed to Spoon. So this last summer we attempted to double our garden size, and we wanted to add this area back here into our main garden area, and we were hoping that it would go well, but it did not go great, as you can see. So everybody makes mistakes, and we kind of just let this go. So there's so many weeds. The weeds have just taken over the entire garden. So Dale and I this morning, we just put these Premier One fencing up around this area, brought in the hard workers. So now they're doing the work for us, and we're sitting back having a drink, watching them clean out the garden for us, and we will try again this fall. Okay, so here we are a few hours later. I think they've done pretty good work. Good job, y'all. We'll come check on them later. So it's been a few days, and as you can see in the background, they have done amazing work, and this is all in less than a week that they knocked down all of that foliage that we had, like all of those weeds. They took it back down to nothing. So this is going to be so much easier now. Now we can come in and start making gardens again for our fall area and get some plants going again. Make sure you follow us on our journey while we plant this area again.